In this video, you'll learn how to put text over an image using Mailchimp. This process will allow you to enhance your visuals and communicate your message effectively within your campaigns. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your web browser and enter the URL for Mailchimp. Once the page loads, ensure you're on the correct site by looking for the Mailchimp logo and the option to sign in or create an account. If prompted, sign in with your account credentials. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can manage your campaigns and content. Next, locate the content section on the dashboard. This is usually found in the main navigation menu. Click on Content to access the Content Studio where you can manage your images and files. After accessing the Content Studio, you will see a library of your uploaded files. Keep in mind that any file uploaded here can be accessed by anyone with the link, so avoid uploading sensitive information. Look for the Upload button, typically situated at the top right of the page, and click on it to proceed. Following this, a file dialog will open, allowing you to browse your computer for the image you wish to upload, select your desired image, and confirm the upload. Depending on your internet speed and the file size, this may take a moment. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your image has been successfully uploaded. Once the upload is complete, find the image you just uploaded in the Content Studio, click on the image to select it. A drop-down menu will appear displaying various options related to the image. From this drop-down, select Edit Image. This action will open the image editor where you can add text overlays and make other adjustments. Look for the option labeled Text within the editing tools and click on it to start adding your text. After clicking on Text, proceed to double-click on the image area where you want the text to appear. This should open a text box allowing you to input your desired text. Type in the message you want to overlay on the image. Finally, review the text placement and appearance to ensure it meets your design needs. Adjust the text size, font, and color as necessary to achieve the desired effect. Once satisfied, save your changes and exit the editor. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.